This is where it usually hits. When you had it up against the car, did you notice that it was sticking out right about here? And it was rocking off of this right here? Rocking there? Well, I can tell you what I do before I put it up against the car. I cut this corner. That's the secret. The urethane bumper had flex, so it give. These are rigid, they don't give. But the True Flex bumper, I don't like the True Flex bumpers because it's an additive and it doesn't let the resin cure all the way. And so with the hard, rigid bumper, you got to play with it. This gives it a little relief because when it tends to hit here. If that car has ever been wrecked from the factory and they've replaced the side fender, right here's where the bonding strip comes to the side fender. So your side fender's from here down. And so if they didn't get that just right because of a urethane bumper moves, it's not crucial. Your metal strip is very small right in this area of a rubber bumper car. And so I notched that out of there to get it to fit up. And then there's times we backfill this. So if you have a gap here, we'll backfill that. And it's not usually the bumper, it's usually the car where the problem's at. Well, that's the other problem too. You got a car that's painted, so you got to be very careful. So you're going to back tape that car. You're going to take 1.5 to 2 inch wide masking tape, and you're going to put it around this area of the car. And then you're going to rough this all up good, and put your bonding material, Fiberglass is what we use. Okay, so you got Fiberglass, you mix it up, put it in a baggie, and squirt it in there. Okay, and then you let it kick, and then pull it off the car. It'll release off the tape. Okay, don't worry about it releasing. It'll release. But mix it right on the car. Put the tape right on the car. Okay, say this is your front end of the car. First one, get the shape where it fits. Pull it off, and then put your Fiberglass back on there and push it up there.
If you put them screws in here,
right,
it's saying flat on that, so they go like this.
Well, that's why you just put them in there, and you put the nut here and leave it somewhat loose. Get it up to the car, and then once it's fitting up to the car, then I come back with my wrench and I just snug them a little bit.
I got that rock in there, and then I rock it 3 or 4 times, then I get loose again.
Right. So that'll lay up against the car a little bit better. And then sand this and come around the corner and sand this because there's primer. Take the primer off of it and then put it up against the car, backfill it. I would take some of your fasteners and hold it up here on the top first and get it where you want it, and not even put the fasteners in there. Come back and re-drill those out and you're done.
So I put the fasteners here.
Well, there's nothing really wrong if you have to backfill the whole back, especially when the car's painted. You've got to do all your work to the bumper cover. 80 grit it, and then backfill.